Don't waste those empty paint buckets lying around in your storage room. Today, let's turn them into an extremely useful tool that anyone can make right at home. The first thing we need to do is mark a circular line on the bottom of the bucket. After marking, I'll cut the bottom of the bucket along the line. With the second paint bucket, I will also mark and cut out the bottom in the same way. The edges after cutting are still a bit rough, so they need to be smoothed out. That's good enough, but the two bucket bottoms still need to be washed clean. After cleaning them thoroughly, I'll drill a hole in the center. Into this new hole, I'll place a bolt. This is a plastic container used for cooking oil. If you have any type of plastic jug or bottle at home, you can use it as long as it has a cap. After removing the label, I'll mark these positions. And I will cut out all these mark spots. When using a knife, be careful to avoid getting injured. Next, on the body of the container, I'll also mark a section. Note that this part should be close to the bottom of the container. After marking, I'll cut that part out as well. Now the plastic container is prepared. On its cap, I'll drill a hole in the center. Once the hole is made, I'll attach the cap to the bucket bottom using a bolt and nut. Before tightening the nut, I'll add a rubber washer. To ensure nothing becomes loose during use, I'll tighten the nut firmly with pliers. That's secure enough. Now I just need to attach the plastic container. And the first tool is complete. Do you know what it's used for? Here I have another plastic bottle like this one, and I will use it to create the second tool. Just like with the previous container, I'll drill a small hole in the bottle cap. Now I'll attach it to the paint bucket bottom. The second tool will look like this, but the plastic bottle still needs some work. Around the neck of the bottle, I'll drill several small holes. A few holes like this are enough. As for the bottom of the bottle, I decided to attach a small hook so it can be hung up. I need to drill a hole first. Now I can insert the hook. Then I'll attach the bottle, and the second tool is finished. So I completed these two tools. They look slightly different, but they actually have the same function. I'll fill this plastic bottle with water. Then I just attach the bottle to the bottom of the bucket, and the water will automatically flow out through the small holes at the bottleneck. And just like that, we have a water feeder for poultry. It's truly convenient, effective, and easy to make, right? If you found this useful, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future videos. Thank you very much.